I have been in meetings where it's me, a male person from our team, and say a bureaucrat, and I'm speaking, and the response is being like, they're not even looking at me and responding, and they're looking at my male colleague and speaking. One of the things we started during lockdown, because we realized a lot of people were moving to Alibag, for example, and making their base there. So then we started doing deliveries there, because you know, we had a base over there ourselves. So we said, okay, like there's no restaurants open there, there's no delivery, anything. Now you have that in Alibag as well.
That's a smart move.
Yeah, but that's the thing, like, you know, you have to, like, we were never doing deliveries to Alibag before that. The person who ended up doing that was someone who literally walked in for a meal and just left a note saying, you know, I'm a chef, I'm interested. And we connected, and he did a trial for us. We completely loved his food. He is from Philadelphia and happened to be traveling through Bombay, and he ended up sticking around and being with us.